Run that back turbo.
Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe.
I love it when I can come in Walmart in peace. I don't have to worry about anyone. I can just do my shopping. And then I come into contact. I don't know, I get this eerie vibe that everyone has corona. I don't know. I just feel like everyone's contagious, if that's even a word. I feel like everyone has it. I just feel icky, I don't want to be touched. And then I go wipe my face. I wipe my face a lot. So, but right now I'm in Walmart trying to find a fan. My house doesn't have AC because I'm on the broke side of the community. But it has heat, and that's one thing about it. Like North Dakota homes, they have AC. They have AC. No, they have heat. Don't have AC because it gets cold here. And so right now I'm just walking back and forth because there's people all around. I thought I was here in the section by myself, but I'm clearly not. But yeah, I'm trying to find a fan. I'm gonna get a fan, and then once I get the fan, I'm gonna let you know what kind of fan I got. All right, boom. My options. I want something that's like loud, but not too loud. The fan I have now is like a little too loud. Like once I cut the fan on, it's time to go to sleep. Like I can't even hear myself. I can't talk anything. I can barely hear the person beside me. So I want something that's loud, but not too loud. Like I said. And that's way too big. I would like a tower like this. But they want $50 for it, and I don't have it for them. Because I'm a broke boy. I want that one. But too short. Too short. Look what I got. Got my fan. Yes. All right, so now I need to get a power block to plug this bad boy up to. Get some steak because I'm cooking steak tonight. And what else am I getting? Oh, milk for my cereal. Listen, I have a bad habit of eating breakfast food. Not even breakfast food. I have a bad habit of just eating cereal. I eat cereal like 3 to 4 times a day. Like, that is like my go-to. When I get hungry and I can't think of anything, I eat cereal. Any kind, really, but I eat cereal. So yeah, I need some milk because I run through at least 3 gallons.
Cap.
Now with the album out, are you paying?
No, I'm capping. I ran through at least a gallon. In at least a week and a half, easily. Maybe 2 gallons in 2 weeks, a gallon a week, I don't know. Yeah, I'm on the way to get that, and yeah. Which one should I get? That one, I'm liking that one. Should I get that one with the USBs and ooh, that one's classy and snazzy. But let me know which ones y'all should get. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. Let me know. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get that one, Link. Get that one. All right, bet. I'm gonna get it. Awkward. Vlogging in person is so. Vlogging in public is so awkward, bro. Like. You never know who's looking at you. Like, he was literally just staring at me. And I think he knew I was recording, but oh well. I just act like I'm talking on the phone. I just act like I'm talking on the phone. That's all I do. So yeah. Can I get a charger? No, for PlayStation. Well, PlayStation controller. Yeah. Yeah, you can read my mind, huh? Need it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Stay safe out here. He's a gamer. I think that means I should start streaming, huh? Because I'm a gamer. He's a gamer, I'm a gamer. He read me like a book. Simply lemonade with raspberry. If I tell you I'm thirsty, this is what you better get me to drink. No cap. Boy, if you don't... Oh no, I'm trapped. I can't go nowhere. Move out of my way. Bro, check this out. It's 512, 388. The same thing, but one has some flaps and one doesn't. I'm gonna get the one with the flaps on it. Yes! Which one is y'all's favorite popcorn? Orville, Pop, or Adams? Wonder which one I want. I'm gonna go with this one. How much do you think all this was? I'm done shopping. Yep. Just got done shopping at Walmart Tizzle. What do they used to call it? Wally World?
Walmart, she going to Walmart, they going to Walmart, they be at Walmart, we going to Wally World.
But yeah, just got done shopping at Wally World, Walmart. Like I said, I feel disgusting walking in there, but that's the only store that's really open in all of America. Target, they're just way too expensive for my liking. But yeah, I kept hearing this announcement in Walmart that they're closing early. I mean, this has been going on for a little bit now, but I don't understand. Like, what is the purpose of closing earlier? Like, is that supposed to slow? I haven't understood that. Maybe someone can explain that to me better. But I don't understand why closing the store earlier is helping anything due to COVID-19. Maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to head home. It's been a long day. I'm tired from work. And I'm just tired of sitting in the house, honestly. I just want to do something. I really want to do something. I don't know. I'm just babbling. But yeah, not too much to it. I just wanted to vlog my Walmart trip. I spend way too much money at Walmart, like every other day. Like I just spent almost $100 on things I needed. I mean, it's food. Like I said, I bought a new fan. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just spend too much money in Walmart. They take a lot of my money. but I gladly give it to him. So, but these people beside me are staring at me. But how's y'all's day been? How have y'all been doing? Hope y'all are doing well. You look nice. You look presentable. You look good. Don't let quarantine get you down. You should be thinking of master plans once they open the doors back up to outside. You should have a master plan of what you're about to do to get a bag. I don't really have any plans right now, but I just thought that would be some motivational pieces for you. Yeah. Honestly, I'm trying to hit the 10-minute mark. A great vlogger once told me you don't want to put anything under 10 minutes of content on YouTube. So I'm trying to hit the 10-minute mark. I'm pretty sure I'm nowhere near that, but I'm pretty sure I'm nowhere near there, and I don't have anything else to talk about. So I'm about to end it here before I wreck. I'm about to head home and get on the game. Get out your nose, man. Get out your nose. But yeah, I'm about to head home, get on the game, probably cook. Because, you know, a good husband cooks, cleans, and provides for his wife. Only if I had a wife. But yeah, I'm out. I'm babbling. All right. Peace.